They say time waits for no one. But out there in the universe, there's something so powerful. It doesn't need to stop time. Time bows down on its own. It bends space, crushes stars, and swallows light itself. Around it, reality twists like a broken mirror. If you fall too close, you'll never come back. Not even light dares to escape. This isn't just a place where things disappear. It's where everything gets cooked for real. The ultimate graveyard of the universe. Only one name remains: the black hole.
Did you know this? A few weeks ago, an asteroid the size of a house was heading towards Earth, and the internet started to claim that it was an alien spacecraft. But as usual, NASA said it is a rare type asteroid. This is definitely suspicious. So here's my theory: it's an alien craft or a secret science experiment, so subscribe.